Hello everyone. We will now study the structure of microscope. This is a microscope that we're going to actually use. This is the eyepiece. It allows us to see the sample. This is the objective lenses. It allows us to magnify the image. This is the stage. It allows us to put the slide on the stage. This is the stage clip. It allows us to fix the slide on the stage. This is the coarse and fine focus. It allows us to see the image more clearly. This is the base, and this is the illuminator or mirror. Now let's use it. We first put the slide in, then fixed it with the stage clips. Then we can use different objective lenses. Then we can look at the sample, and if it's not clear, we can use the coarse focus or the fine focus. Thank you all for coming here. I hope you all have a great day.